Welcome to my projectbazzar.com. Our project topic is FraudX, an integrated AI, blockchain and cybersecurity framework with yearly warning system for mitigating online financial fraud. This is our project abstract. Online financial fraud causes billions in losses, especially in growing markets like North Macedonia, where security lacks behind digital banking. FraudX is an all-in-one real-time fraud reduction system combining AI, blockchain, intrusion detection, and smart alert. Tested on 50,000 local transactions, FraudX outperforms standard model with 2 to 4% better accuracy and 90% success detecting new threat. It uses pervasive blockchain, AI risk scoring, and real-time alert processing transaction in 50 milliseconds with low CPU usage. Security analysis confirms strong defense against advanced cyber attack, making FraudX an effective solution for mid-sized financial markets. This is a flowchart diagram. The process begins when a user initiates a transaction. The system first verifies the user PIN, which is secure checked using hashed value through encryption. If your PIN is incorrect, the system blocks the transaction after multiple failure attempts and sends a email alert to user, using a failure control mechanism to temporarily block further PIN-based action. If your PIN is verified successfully, the system checks the user account balance. If insufficient fund to stop the transaction and user is notified. If the balance is sufficient, the system processes to call a risk score for transaction. This score is determined using combination of AI-based anomaly detection and rule-based checks. The AI model analyzes the transaction amount and compares it with pattern learned from previous data, while also checking data limit and unusual large amount. If the score is low, the transaction is approved, recorded securely using blockchain and balance is updated. If the score is high, the transaction is blocked, the user is alerted via email with reason. In both cases, the system secure and intelligent decision making real time. This is our project explanation part. The process begins with verify user PIN. In our application, this step is handled by PIN input field. This algorithms use bcrypt hashing and secure one-way encryption. When wrong PIN is entered, the algorithm fails to check, so directly to the block and alert to user. And next step in my flow, sufficient balance. In our application, this check is internal process, but result become visible if it fails. The algorithm is a simple numeric comparison. If the transaction amount is greater than user balance, no path is taken, and see block and send to notification via email. Then next step in my flow, risk score. In this process in my application, and this is a pure backend process, so there is no immediate output on screen while it happening. The application uses sophisticated algorithm that combine three methods to produce a single risk score number: rule-based logic, statistical analysis, and machine learning. If greater than threshold value, if I click pay, it's block. If less than threshold value, I click pay, approve the transaction. This is a project source code. This is a project output. First create a new account, click register and enter the name, then mail ID and enter account number, then date of birth, then phone number, Then enter lengthy password. And fix minimum transaction amount and maximum transaction amount. And click register. After registration, a successful message, then login. Enter mail address and password and click login. We get login successful image, and this is our dashboard. First click a new payment, and first time set 4-digit PIN number. Then click set PIN. Then again click make a new payment. Enter receive name and amount and select category and click pay now. The transaction successful message. If I try to pay a greater than limit, I set limit 10,000, but I enter the greater than limit and click pay now. Transaction amount exists, your set limit 10,000. If I go to mail, I got message. Then I forgot PIN. Click forgot PIN and enter the account number, account password and click verify password. I got OTP number, so copy and paste that number and click verify OTP and set a new PIN number. Then manage your PIN. If I want to change my PIN number, then enter the current PIN number and new PIN number and click change PIN. Update my PIN number. Then click a view transaction history. It show the transaction ID and to amount, category, date and time also. Then check account balance, enter PIN number. It show available balance. Also show today remaining limit. Then click view spending analysis. It show by category and also around with amount. And after transaction, click logout. Thank you.